we're heading out. I'm gonna do the first leg of driving and then Joe is gonna take over after that. We switch about every 3 hours. So wish me luck, because I'm driving the biggest vehicle I've ever driven in my life. It has a trailer and it's a 26-foot U-Haul. So let's get going.
Ready?
Yep.
All right.
Let's go. I'm trying not to be nervous. He's in the back locking the truck. This is a big vehicle. I've got my truck on the back of a 26-foot U-Haul. I've never driven anything this big. We're just not going to be in a hurry. We're going to take it slow, and I'm going to be very aware on my shift. He's back. We are arriving.
Going up a hill.
The trip wasn't bad, we just had to go slow. So that made it take a little longer, and we stopped last night because we were tired, but I'm glad we did. So we are here. We are getting ready to unload the truck off the trailer. And I just can't believe how much things have grown. Look. Look at how much things have grown off of the storage container. It's hard to believe that we actually could fit everything in this truck, but we were actually talking we could probably use one more. And the only thing holding this on were straps along the front. And Joe found on the way, one of them was loose.
Good. All right, so that tire looked like it shifted over, so you're gonna have to guide me down.
Okay. Good job. Nothing looks moved.
Just like I left it.
Good job.
1,000 miles.
I'm very impressed with your
We'll
skills.
see what happens after I peel all this stuff back. Let's get this open.
Good job, honey.